I can't see.
Better you don't, Rory. What is he doing?
This is very exciting. Look! They don't know which fox to follow.
Fox deliberately ran across the path of the hounds when they were after another fox, a vixen. He'd put himself in terrible danger to save her. What's happening?
The vixen hasn't escaped. Some of the hounds are following her too. Now they are both in trouble. Our fox is in the clearing now, heading off the rest.
Oh no! The hounds can see him!
Don't panic!
If only the rabbits hadn't panicked, none of this would ever have happened.
The past is past, Toad. I can't bear it.
My husband!
Oh, never mind him. What about Fox?
Towards us! Don't panic!
Where am I? What's happening?
Fox is drawing the hounds towards us!
Oh.
Better. We should run.
No. Remember the oath. We must all stand together and fight.
But we'll be torn to pieces!
They're not going to get him, are they?
Prepare yourselves, everyone. Kestrel, Owl, is there anything we can do?
We can try to head them off.
In certain circumstances, attack is the only form of defense.
Get on with it, men!
To confuse the hinds. One fox at a time. Let's try the wood.
Come on, fox.
It's all right. They've called off the hounds.
Well done, Kestrel. Well done, Owl.
Gone, have they?
It isn't over yet.
Fox, ho-ho!
Oh no! What have I brought on you all?
It's all right, Fox. The riders have turned back.
You're safe. They've gone after the other poor fox.
Oh no! I failed her!
Who, Fox, old boy?
The vixen I met on my way back to you. I wanted her to be my mate.
Oh, poor Fox.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize. I bet she gets away.
3 to 1 on. Any takers?
Weasel, will you shut up?
I failed her.
No, no.
She's out of the wood.
They're coming this way. Whoops.
Come on! You're almost there. I'll head them off. You can make it. Oh no! Come on, Vixen!
Oh, you poor thing.
You're going to be safe.
She's going to be safe.
They're calling off the hunt.
But why did the horse rear up?
I saw a snake strike at the horse's leg.
Adder.
Ada?
Ada!
Where is she?
Found you! You're a heroine, Ada. Don't be stupid. Wasn't me. Oh, yes, it was. Oh, no, it wasn't. It was some other stupid snake. It was Ada, all right. Hooray! Hooray for Ada! Hooray! I'll never live this down.
They're going. I know what you did. Heading them off.
I couldn't bear to think of you. And those hounds?
You risked your life for me.
Were you on your way back to me?
Yes,
Does that mean?
I would be honored to be your mate.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Welcome, my dear. You're one of us now.
Hooray!